If your spring looks like this, you're going to need some garage door repair. My name is Lance with A1 Garage Door. We're here at Clint's house changing out a set of broken springs. When we arrived, you notice that the J-arm is bent. The customer's wife decided she had to leave and wasn't paying attention because the door wasn't working right. And raising the door with the broken springs caused the J-arm to bend, which is a good possibility the gears in the lift matcher were stripped at the same time. A garage door opener is only meant to open 5 to 10 pounds. The springs do all the work. So when you're not paying attention to how your door is working and it's struggling to go up, you're tearing up them gears in there, which is going to cost you another expense down the road or today of changing out that opener.
My name's Clint. I live in Parker, Colorado. I've got these old wood doors. Had a spring break Friday afternoon, was able to get a hold of A1 Garage Doors. They had the technician out within 24 hours. Lance came out, just changed out the springs, did a great job, was able to go through and explain everything that he had done and why. And then also did a maintenance lube and tube on all this. So, worked out great.